Currently we're just south of Seymour in Texas. All this stuff is going to move down the line and develop this way. I was pretty negative about the term hail roar, but I think I take that back. It's definitely there. Definitely there.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It's actually hail roar in there. Moving really quick. Just a quick pan towards the north. It's almost stopped.
What's messed up?
I said it's almost stopped the rain. Yeah, almost. Probably another 5 minutes.
Am I in your headshot? There's a mud puddle down here.
I still think it's worth being patient. I think the rain's going to stop and it's going to keep going.
No, I will.
Oh yeah.
It's practically stopped there.
Every time I turn the camera on.
Wow, dude.
That's always the way.
I know.
Better try for these babies. Jenna's reporting fantastic mamadas and crawlers on the backside.
Aye.
Go back to Allsups, keep going through Albany, get to road 1084, turn right. We're about 3 miles up on the right. Worth it. Pink and blue and purple crawlers.
I think it'll be the same here.
You want to just stay here and shoot it from here?
Yeah, we should go back to Albany.
I think you just stay here. We're seeing it too.
Yeah.
It's going to stop raining in the next minute.
Yeah.
Where are they then?
Not far from here. They're just...
God almighty, look at that.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
Clear, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
We're at 2 hours west. Main focus is this. Handle crawlers are almost constant.
They get back here. There's a truck. So.
The crawlers are just going berserk.
How'd you like that? Did you think? He aims to please. Oh, look over your heads.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God.
There's the mamadas.